Hello students, today we discuss about nested list as well as definition list. Okay, in nested there are two different concepts, single level and multi-level with examples. Okay, so let's start nested list. So list within another list, either order list or unordered list, which is called as nested. When we say one list inside another list, which is called as a nested list. Okay, so this is a single level nested list. Okay, single level. Simply I copy this code. Okay, and oops, okay, uh, here shift not possible. Okay, yes, copy it and save in another type. Okay, here paste for here, and save using nested single line. Okay, so single label, right? Single label dot html, single level dot html. Okay, execute, then see what happened. It displays such type of behavior to the user. Okay, one list inside another list. So this is a simple level nested type. Okay, see HTML nested list, introduction to IT. So this is nothing but sub points, we can say. Introduction to DBMS having sub points, like definition of DBMS, applications of DBMS, advantages of DBMS. Okay, so this is a simple. So how to write this? See here, OL tag is main tag. Okay, order list to define order list, then introduction to DBMS, introduction to IT and DBMS. Okay, then introduction to DBMS having sub points. Then remember one thing: how to create sub points, how to create nested. See here. Okay. Okay, so in this way you can able to write nested. Okay, so simply write, okay, UL or OL. Okay, anything as per user requirements. Then this is a style attribute to write apply circle shape. Okay, circle bullets to the appear on web page. Then this is a first sub point, second sub point, and this is a third sub point. So this is the exact set of sub points under introduction to DBMS. Now third is in main. This is a if I say this is a 1, this is a 2, and this is a 3. Okay, so in this way you can write simply we can say single level nested list. Okay, now next concept is multi-level list. Okay, wait, I will show you multi-level list. See here. mm, I think there is direct program of for multi-level list, right? Simply I copy this number of lines. Okay, I will show you exact difference. Copy and uh, sorry, save it. If I execute, paste over it. Okay, and simply I type multi-level level dot html. Okay, and execute on browser. This is a multi-level. Okay, yeah, so you see, in this way you can able to create a multi-level list. See, first of all, output, there is a daily computing first point. We can say first list item, second list item having web design, having three different subpoints. First point says HTML5, second point says hyperlink, and third is inserting images. Now third main point, JavaScript, having one conditional structure and loop statement. In conditional statement, in conditional structure, or we can say statements, conditional structure, we having three subpoints. Okay, so this is a hierarchy. Okay, nested. This is a multi-level nested, because main point is what JavaScript, sub point is what conditional, and in that again there is a we have three subpoints. Okay, in conditional structure. So this is called as, this hierarchy is called as multi-level list. Okay, in nested type, right? So this is a here also there is a output of for multi-level. Okay, now about code. See, simply you can use ul tag, then li, first list atom, second list atom, then actual nesting concept start from ol, because this is a point. Now this is for understanding purpose. Okay, better way to uh, set tabs. Okay, then this is a third point, right? And again inside there is a JavaScript having sub point ul, right? Now conditional structure having again 3 points: if statement, if else, and case statement. Okay, so simply tap it. Okay, then ul. See here, these are comes under conditional structure. Okay, here conditional structure. And now after JavaScript, after conditional statement, there is a loop statement. Okay, this is a ul of this group. Okay, ul, and now main ul is there, body and HTML clothes. So in this way you can able to understand multi-level structure. Okay, actually this is very complicated, but we can able to understand in this way, right? So this is about nesting concept. Now we're going to discuss about this definition list. Okay, definition list. Because definition list is totally different from this ul and ol, so that's why I skip. And now I'm going to discuss about this concept, definition list. To define a definition list, dl tag is used. Dl, a definition list. Okay, you can create items in definition list within with the dt and dd tags. dt means define a term or define term, right? And dd means, dd stands for describe. Okay, or we can say describe definition, right? See here, the dd tag is used to define the term, whereas the dd tag is used to define the term's definition. Okay, you can say describe it. Okay, now uh, there's one example to understand how to write code for this, right? I have one example I want to show you. in listing folder. See here, definition list. If I execute on browser, but let me show you exact code. See, inside body section there is a DL tag. Again, DL stands for definition list. Okay, now inside DT, you know about DT and DD now. DT means term, define a term, and here description. Okay, this is about term description, right? Describe, or we can say term definition, right? So informing technology, A1 is here. It is used to gathering, processing, manipulating information very efficiently. Okay, so in this way you can able to you can type any term definition. Okay, now next part is what? Next concept name is HTML5. Then this is the, see, it is one of the concept in IT subject. It is very popular. You can write such type of definition. Okay, HTML5 is the latest standards, right? Now next DT, the definition, defined term is railway station. You can write this is just example. Okay, then DD, too much crowded place. So these are different sets under one DL, under one DL. So here DL stands for definition list. Okay, now how many number of definition? Three number of definition. First definition, um, term, defined definition term is information technology. Second definition term is HTML5, and third definition term is railway station, which have each and every having we can say definitions. Okay, detailed. Save this and execute it and see. Let me zoom it. Okay, yes. So see here, DT. Okay, so these all are comes under DL, right? But the information technology is DT, define a term, and this text is called as definition. Okay, so in this way you can able to write code for this definition list. So this is a, in this way you can write, right? Okay, and this is the output for our textbook code. Okay, the in this way. Okay, that's it for this video. Okay, thank you.